We talked a lot about your case during the questions of Solicitor General Kagan, Ms. Ledbetter, and I wanted to just go through some of that. First of all, could you just go through again how you found out, how you had to find out that some of your counterparts, your male counterparts, were making more money than you did and got raises that you didn't get?
Yes. I only learned about the discrepancy in my pay after 19 years, and that was someone leaving me an anonymous note, because otherwise I would not have known, because Goodyear prohibited each one of us from ever discussing our pay, or we would not work there. So our pay was never discussed, and we could not find out, and that was the only way I had to find out.
So you had no way of knowing that other workers, men that were getting more money than you, and it kept getting worse and worse as the years go by. You didn't know that?
No, I did not. I had no way to know.
Right. Then you go to court and you win an award to say you could make up that money that you lost, and then you go to the U.S. Supreme Court, and what did they tell you in terms of when you were supposed to have found that out?
According to the response that Justice Alito wrote, he said that I should have complained after the first paycheck that I received that was discriminatory, even though I didn't know that and no way to prove it.
So I was just wondering, and I know that Justice Ginsburg, and this is something I talked to Solicitor General Kagan about this, was I suppose only you would have had to be like rifling through the drawers of looking at pay stubs or asking your fellow employees how much they were making? Is that what you were supposed to do?
Well, I was supposed to do that in order to find out, and had I done that, I would have been fired.
Right. So I think one of the reasons your case, in addition to the obvious wrongs that were righted by the law that we passed in Congress, but I think one of the things that interested me about your case was it was just an example of you who never thought you'd end up here in the halls of Congress, nor I think did any of the other witnesses here. I can see them shaking their heads at the end and wondering if it's that fun anyway to be here. But what strikes me most about your case is that you just happened to be in this situation. You ended up going to the highest court in the land. And I think to me you are an example of what I've talked about, that these decisions have an impact on regular people when the court makes these decisions.